during the recent Amazon sale, there was one product I was keeping my eye on quite intensely. Unfortunately, the price didn't drop. I was just about to add it to basket anyway when I received an email from the manufacturer, and they were offering me a unit to have a look at and to make a video of and to see what I thought of. So, full disclosure, this video has been supplied, or the unit has been supplied, by the manufacturers of this. This is the Campark Ultra HD 4K XtremeV action camera. Before I begin today's video, I'd like to first of all thank all those who have sent me messages asking how I am and where I am. I've been away for quite a bit, as you probably know if you follow the channel. Unfortunately, I had a rather nasty accident. I managed to shatter my elbow completely, so I was in hospital for a little while, and then I developed a couple of infections, quite nasty ones, and I'm still having treatment for those at the moment. I'm now recovered to the point where I can start work again and start making videos again as well. So this is my first video after that. I do apologise if the sound or quality of the video itself is a little less than it usually is. It's been a while since I've made a video now, so I'm a little rusty, shall we say. The arm is healing up rather nicely now, and the infections are nearly gone. And so you should be seeing some more videos from me in the very near future. But again, for those who sent messages and inquired where I am and if I'm making more videos, and indeed left all the comments and questions on the videos so far, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this video. So here it is then. This is the XtremeV 4K, also known as the X30. It's available on Amazon now at the price of $79.99, I think, which is about, I would imagine, about $90. And it's more or less a third of the price of the camera it's up against, really. That's the GoPro Hero 7 Black, which is also a 4K 60 FPS camera. So as always, we'll go through, we'll unpack, see what's in the box here, and then we'll have a look at the specifications, and perhaps in the next video we'll look at the setup, and I'll take some test footage for you so you can see what it's like. So first of all, we got 2 batteries, quite heavy batteries, the camera itself, put that there, then we have one more box. Let's see what's in this box. And there's quite a bit in here, so I'll put that to the side a moment. Let's go through this quickly. We have the charger and the USB lead for that. Let's take that out of there. And then we have a variety of mounts. Some mounts with sticky back on it to stick to your helmet or whichever item you want to. Some more mounting bicycle or motorbike mounts for the handlebars. You have another mount there. You have a strap and some black ties, some more sticky pads, which are useful, quite thick ones, and a little cloth there for wiping it with. And then you have another back there for the back of the camera. Now the camera is actually in its waterproof mount at the moment, so let's just take that out. Very easy system to unlock it there, and it's quite a tight fit in. Now then, am I doing this right? Yes, I am. So that's the waterproof mount, and that's the camera itself. On the camera, of course, you've got the SD slot. It says 64 gigabytes, but I've found that most of these will take 128 gigabyte micro SDs. There's a HDMI out, there's a micro one, of course, and a SD, micro SD. On the other side, you've got the up and down button, the microphone, possibly a second microphone on the top, or one is a microphone, one's a speaker, and then the start-stop button, the on-off button, standard camera mount, and that's nice. Actually, a spring cover for the battery is very nice, because most of them seem to come with a cover that just falls off. You tend to lose them. So that's the camera itself. So I'll just get the battery in now, we'll power it up and see what it's like. So battery in. I wonder if there's any power in it. So press the on button, and while this is powering up, I'll give you the specifications of it, because it is quite a high specification. As I said, the camera is a 4K. It shoots 4K at 60 FPS or 30 FPS. It has a 2.7K mode with 30 FPS, 1080p at 120 FPS, which means you can get some really good slow motion shots with it, and far above that again, a 720p mode with 240 FPS, so you can get really good slow motion shots. The lens itself is a 20 megapixel lens, and it has built-in image stabilization as well. The screen on the back is a touch screen. Now, when I say about the stabilization, I must make clear it's stabilized up to the 4K, I believe, but at the 4K 60 FPS it can't stabilize at that resolution and speed. I'm not sure if it can do it at 30 FPS, but usually 4K cameras, even the GoPros, can't use the image stabilization at the full 4K resolution. But it does have EIS. It really good. It gets rid of all the bumps and shakes you encounter when you're walking or riding or cycling or whatever. So there's that. In fast moving objects, 60 FPS at 4K rather, it's no problem at all. You get no blurring. It's got that 2-inch touchscreen on the back there. It's got built-in Wi-Fi. It's waterproof with the case on, of course, and that's down to 131 foot. So it can be, you can use it while swimming or snorkeling. It has a fisheye eliminator to get rid of the distortion and correct that. View angles, 170 down. There are 3, the high, middle and low. It comes with those 2 batteries, 1350 milliamp hour, and they're rechargeable in the charging dock there or in the camera itself. It does say you can use a micro SD card up to 64 gigabytes. My experience is they go up to 128 gigabytes with no problem, but not the class 10 they recommend. I would recommend a U3 for 4K footage. So there we go. Let's just get the screen on again. So to unlock, very fast actually, that's really good. Select mode from camera, view recording. I mean, this is incredible. Look at this. This is faster than a lot of smartwatches I've reviewed. Good grief. There's a QR code there for the app. Of course, it does come with an app. And with that app, you can actually control the camera as well as downloading and sharing the footage that you take. 20 megapixel lens, as I said. So if you want to just take a few photographs, still photographs with it, you just press the button and get really high quality photographs. So there we go. That's the unboxing done of the Campark XtremeV X30 Ultra UHD 4K action camera. And next part is to have a look at the setting up of the camera itself and then take some test footage with it and see what it's like. I hope you've enjoyed this part of the video, and I hope you look forward and join me for the next part where we do that setup.